Common foods that silently damage aging bodies and what to eat instead. Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel. If you're over 55 or you care for someone who is, today's video may be one of the most important ones you watch this year because we're talking about something that affects confidence, energy, and overall quality of life for older men. Morning erections, why they weaken after 60, and the 3 secret spots in the body that control them. Plus, the everyday foods that quietly damage these spots without you even realizing it. Many men think this is just aging, but the truth is, your body has specific areas that must stay healthy for strong morning function, and when these areas get clogged, inflamed, or starved of nutrients, the results show up the next morning. So today, we'll break everything down simply, clearly, and with zero embarrassment. Just helpful science and practical steps. Let's start with secret spot number 1, the most ignored one. Secret spot number 1, the endothelial layer, your body's internal highway lining. This spot lives inside your blood vessels, especially the tiny ones responsible for carrying oxygen-rich blood to the pelvic region. As we age, this thin layer becomes stiff, inflamed, and narrow, and without flexible, open blood vessels, the morning function naturally fades. But here's where it gets interesting. You don't lose morning erections because you're old. You lose them because this spot becomes damaged over time, mostly by daily foods you'd never suspect. Foods that silently damage this spot. 1. Processed meats, like sausages, deli meats, and frozen patties. These reduce nitric oxide, the gas your blood vessels need to open naturally. 2. Sugary breakfast foods, like sweet cereals, pastries, and flavored yogurts. These spike inflammation and stiffen your vessel walls. 3. Excess vegetable oils used in frying, like soybean and corn oil. They create oxidative stress that ages blood vessels twice as fast. Most people over 60 eat at least one of these foods daily without knowing the price their body pays. Better choices instead. Berries, powerful antioxidants that restore blood vessel flexibility. Leafy greens, boost nitric oxide naturally. Extra virgin olive oil, reduces inflammation in the endothelial lining. These foods help re-soften that inner highway, leading to more natural, stronger morning performance over time.
Secret spot number 2, the pelvic blood flow muscles. Now let's move to the second secret spot, one that almost no doctor talks about clearly. Right below your lower abdomen, you have a set of deep pelvic muscles that support blood flow, bladder function, and morning erections. Think of them as a pump system that helps push blood into the right areas during the night and early morning. After age 60, these muscles naturally weaken, especially if you sit for long hours. And when the pelvic pump loses strength, the morning response becomes slower, weaker, or disappears completely. But here's the key. Weak muscles aren't the real problem. The inflammation caused by hidden food choices is. Foods that silently damage this spot are white bread and white flour foods. These quickly turn into sugar and inflame the pelvic region. Packaged snacks like chips or crackers. They contain additives that tighten blood vessels in the lower body. Creamy dairy products like heavy cream and processed cheese. These slow digestion, increase inflammation, and reduce circulation to the pelvic floor. Most seniors never notice how these foods directly affect their lower body circulation until it's too late. Better choices instead? Oats, slow-release carbs that improve overall blood flow. Walnuts, excellent for nerve and muscle function. Greek yogurt, easier to digest and support hormone balance. Even small changes here can improve the nighttime blood flow cycle and help restore morning strength naturally. Secret spot number 3, the nerve pathway between the lower back and pelvis. This is the control center, the communication line that signals the body during sleep. When nerves in the lower back are inflamed or compressed, the signal weakens. This is one reason many men say, "I don't feel the same down there after age 60." And unfortunately, common everyday foods worsen nerve inflammation more than aging itself. Foods that silently damage this spot are excess caffeine, irritates nerves, and disrupts hormones that support nighttime signals. Deep-fried foods increase nerve swelling and slow electrical signals in the body. Alcohol, especially in the evenings, weakens nerve pathways and reduces REM sleep, the time when morning erections naturally occur. Better choices instead: bananas, rich in potassium to relax nerves; avocado, healthy fats that nourish nerve coating; chamomile tea, calms the nervous system and improves sleep quality. Keeping this nerve line healthy is one of the most effective long-term steps for improving morning erections after 60.
Now that we've uncovered the three major spots that control morning erections after 60, the endothelial layer, the pelvic blood flow muscles, and the nerve pathway, let's bring everything together into simple, practical steps you can start using today. Because here's the truth: your body is not too old to improve. Even in your 60s, 70s, and beyond, these spots can repair themselves when you give them the right foods and avoid the ones that trigger silent damage. So let's talk about daily habits that support all three spots at the same time. Step 1. Start your morning with a circulation breakfast. Most seniors begin the day with foods that slow them down: sugary cereals, heavy bread, or processed meats. Instead, build a breakfast that wakes up your blood vessels and nourishes nerves. A bowl of oats, a handful of walnuts or berries, a drizzle of olive oil on a small side salad, and green tea or water instead of coffee. This kind of meal restores nitric oxide, reduces inflammation, and fuels healthy pelvic circulation throughout the day. Step 2. The 3-minute pelvic pump reset. You don't need a full workout. Just 3 minutes of gentle tightening and releasing of the pelvic floor muscles, similar to a light Kegel exercise, can strengthen the pelvic pump system. This increases nighttime blood flow and supports stronger morning function naturally. Do this once in the morning and once in the evening. Step 3. The nighttime nerve-friendly routine. Nighttime is when your body repairs blood vessels, strengthens nerves, and triggers the morning response. Follow these simple steps. Avoid caffeine and alcohol 4 to 5 hours before sleep. Drink a cup of chamomile tea. Stretch your lower back for 60 to 90 seconds, and keep your bedroom cool and quiet. These habits support REM sleep, the stage when your body coordinates the signals responsible for morning erections. Step 4. Replace one damaging food per week. Instead of changing everything overnight, pick just one harmful food and swap it. Replace processed meats with lean chicken or fish. Replace sugary breakfast foods with berries. Replace vegetable oils with extra virgin olive oil, and replace fried foods with steamed or baked options. Small changes done consistently are more powerful than big changes done once. Final message of Part 3. Remember, strong morning erections aren't about age. They're about circulation, muscle support, and nerve health. And every small step you take today helps rebuild those three key spots tomorrow. You deserve energy, confidence, and vitality, and your body can absolutely improve when given the right care.
Now that we've covered the science, the hidden food triggers, and the daily habits that support healthier circulation, stronger pelvic muscles, and better nerve communication, let's spend a moment uncovering the small lifestyle mistakes seniors make without realizing they're harming their morning strength. These mistakes seem harmless, but over time, they quietly weaken the three secret spots we've talked about. Mistake number 1: sitting for long hours without movement. Many seniors spend most of their day sitting, watching TV, reading, or resting, but long hours in a seated position compress the pelvic blood vessels, weaken pelvic floor muscles, and reduce blood flow to the lower body. Even sitting for more than 45 minutes at a time can lower circulation. Simple fix: stand up every 30 to 45 minutes, walk for just 1 minute, or rotate your ankles and hips. This tiny change reactivates the pelvic pump and improves nighttime blood flow. Mistake number 2, drinking water too late at night. Many seniors avoid drinking water during the day and end up hydrating late in the evening. But this increases nighttime urination, disrupts REM sleep, and interferes with the nerve signals responsible for morning erections. Simple fix: drink most of your water before 6 p.m. Sip lightly after that. Aim for a calm, uninterrupted sleep cycle. Proper hydration during the day supports healthy blood viscosity, which directly affects morning function. Mistake number 3, ignoring lower back tension. Tightness in the lower back compresses the nerve pathway that connects the spine to the pelvic region. And when this nerve pathway gets even slightly irritated, the signal weakens. This is why many seniors notice, when my back hurts, my performance drops. Simple fix: do a 1-minute lower back stretch twice a day. Gently pull your knees toward your chest, hold for 10 seconds, release, repeat 3 to 4 times. This improves nerve flow and reduces nighttime signal interruptions. Mistake number 4, eating the heaviest meal at night. When dinner is too heavy, creamy, fried, or very spicy, the body uses energy to digest food instead of repairing blood vessels and nerves. This slows down the natural nighttime cycle needed for strong morning erections. Simple fix: eat your heavier meal at lunch. At dinner, choose something lighter, like fish or chicken, steamed vegetables, soup, or a small salad. A light dinner improves sleep quality and boosts early morning hormonal balance. Mistake number 5, underestimating stress. Mental stress tightens blood vessels and interrupts hormone balance. Even seniors who feel calm may still carry hidden tension that affects circulation. Simple fix: try 2 to 3 minutes of slow breathing before bed. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 2 seconds, exhale for 6 seconds. This simple breathing pattern calms the nervous system and supports deeper, healthier sleep, which is crucial for morning strength. Final message of Part 4. Small lifestyle choices matter more after 60 than ever before. Every gentle movement, every calm moment, every food choice, it all adds up to stronger circulation, better nerve flow, and healthier mornings. And with the right habits, many seniors see improvement in as little as 2 to 4 weeks. Your body is capable of more than you think, and it's never too late to restore strength and confidence.
We've covered the 3 secret spots. We've covered the dangerous hidden foods. We've covered the daily habits and lifestyle mistakes. Now let's put everything into a simple, clear action plan you can start today, even if you're in your 60s, 70s, or beyond. Because healing your blood vessels, strengthening your pelvic muscles, and improving your nerve communication doesn't require complicated routines. It just needs steady, gentle, consistent care. The 7-day renewal routine. This is a beginner-friendly plan designed for seniors who want to improve their morning erections naturally, safely, and steadily. Follow it for 7 days, and many men start noticing changes within 2 to 3 weeks. Day 1, clean the blood vessels. Remove 1 harmful food, processed meats, sugary breakfast foods, fried snacks. Replace it with berries, leafy greens, olive oil. This begins repairing your endothelial lining. Day 2, strengthen the pelvic pump. Do the 3-minute pelvic pump reset twice today. Tighten, hold, relax. Gentle, slow, controlled. This increases circulation to the pelvis at night. Day 3, support the nerve pathway. Do a 1-minute lower back stretch in the morning and at night. This helps restore the communication between your lower back and pelvic region. Day 4, improve sleep quality. Tonight, No caffeine after 4 p.m., no alcohol. Drink chamomile tea. Keep the room cool. REM sleep triggers morning erections. Protected. Day 5. Hydrate the smart way. Drink most of your water before 6 p.m. Light sips only afterward. This reduces night urination and keeps sleep uninterrupted. Day 6. Light dinner reset. Switch your heavier meal to lunchtime. Eat a simple, light dinner. Soup, steamed vegetables, chicken or fish, small salad. This frees your body to repair nerves and blood vessels overnight. Day 7. Stress release night. Take 3 minutes before bed. Inhale 4 seconds. Hold 2 seconds. Exhale 6 seconds. Repeat 6 to 8 cycles. This calms the nervous system and improves hormonal balance. The final message of the entire script. Aging does not mean losing strength. Aging does not mean losing confidence. Aging does not mean losing your morning vitality. Your body is always trying to heal. You just have to remove what harms it and give it what supports it. When you protect your blood vessels, support your pelvic muscles, and strengthen your nerve pathway, your mornings can improve naturally, safely, and consistently. You deserve good health. You deserve strong circulation. You deserve confidence and vitality at any age. And with small daily changes, your body can absolutely rise again.
Yeah.